You've ever wondered what's the largest snowflake to have ever fallen from the sky? Well, it's a mind-blowing record that will make you rethink your idea of what's possible in nature, measuring an astonishing 15 inches wide. That's as long as most people are tall. To put that into perspective, if you were to hold one of these massive snowflakes up against the side of a building, it would take up almost an entire city block. This incredible fact is just the beginning of our journey into the fascinating world of snowflake science and history. What exactly makes a snowflake so unique? How do they form in the sky? And what's the science behind their incredible diversity? We'll be diving into all these questions and more, exploring the weird and wonderful world of snowflakes, one record-breaking fact at a time. So what makes these massive flakes possible? Well, it all comes down to temperature and moisture. When warm air rises over cold air, the water vapor in the air freezes into tiny ice crystals. As these crystals collide with each other, they stick together, forming larger snowflakes. The weird thing is that this process can happen multiple times within a single storm system, leading to some pretty incredible flake sizes. For example, in 1887, a rancher in Montana recorded a snowflake that measured an astonishing 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. Can you imagine catching something that big on your tongue? It's moments like these that remind us just how unpredictable and awe-inspiring the natural world can be. We've explored the largest snowflake to ever be recorded. But what about the forces that create these natural wonders? The intricate dance of temperature and humidity in a thunderstorm can produce flakes that are truly breathtaking. But it's not just the conditions that make snowflakes unique. It's also the tiny variations in air pressure and wind direction that can cause them to grow into giants. Scientists have long been fascinated by the art of snowflake formation, with each flake being a unique expression of the chaos that occurs high above our heads. By studying these delicate structures, we can gain insights into the fundamental laws of physics that govern the behavior of air and water on our planet. From record-breaking snowflakes to the extreme conditions that create them, we're diving into the fascinating world of weather extremes. When it comes to winter weather, we often focus on everyday storms and blizzards, but there are some truly mind-blowing phenomena out there that can teach us a lot about the natural world. Take the case of the world's largest snowflake, which measured an astonishing 15 inches wide. That's massive, larger than many people are tall. But what makes snowflakes so unique, and how do they form in the first place? The process is actually quite complex, involving supercooled water droplets and turbulent air currents that can lead to some truly remarkable results. By studying these extreme weather events, we can gain a deeper understanding of the atmosphere and the laws of physics that govern it. And that's the magic of nature for you, capable of producing something as big as a small turkey at 15 inches wide. But what really gets our minds racing is that this record was set in Montana back in 1887, and it's still hard to wrap your head around. I mean, can you imagine seeing something like that fall from the sky? The implications for our understanding of atmospheric science are mind-blowing. And who knows, maybe studying these extreme weather events will lead us to new discoveries about the world we live in. What's your take on this incredible record? Have you ever seen anything as wild and beautiful in nature?